Metals quadrant quiet today. Copper little change, silver little changed, gold little change. Gold is holding its support. It's tracking along a substantial support line. Let's just call it 1300 because that's the round number that's just below that support line. The psychological level would play a part in it as well. When you look at the last 10 sessions in crude, we've had 5 up sessions, 5 down sessions. It has had a little bit of a trail down on the chart, but it is holding that support line, waiting for the next piece of news that drives gold. We saw this prior when it went from about 215 to about 1215 to 1260. Again, when it went from about 1265 to 1300. We're seeing that same pattern now. Does not mean it's going to break out up, but that support line is holding. No deal yet on the government shutdown, and that's not referencing Congress. We have a deal in Congress and we have the bill being written up, but that bill is 1,159 pages. That's the bill that would keep the government open, and the government could still shut down simply because the president has said he's looking for poison pills. He's looking for things that the quote unquote Democrats tried to slip in. This is not a political statement by me. They both do it. They both slip in what's known as poison pills into bills. These are lines of funding or restrictions of fundings that are slipped into larger bills just to get them passed. The president says his team is looking over these closely, and that means he may not sign it. So even though the market is behaving as if there is a deal, gold is seeing through that by not falling. It's holding its support and possibly could spike if the president backs out and doesn't sign this. Analysts are saying that it's still likely he will. And then gold, again, moving opposite the dollar normally, has been moving alongside the strength in the dollar as of late, but the dollar paused today, possibly keeping that support line a little stronger than it would have been. The dollar made another new high today and then reversed. So we've got 3 new highs in a row now on the dollar index for 2019, but today it pulled back and ended up down a little under 1/4% on the dollar index. Again, not much of a move, but a little bit of a pause that could have helped gold keep its support. All else equal, gold and the dollar move inverse. Lately, it hasn't really applied, but over time, that will always come out in the wash.